Shalom and hello, back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be making some lentil soup and yeah, that's it. So right now I'm just going to be opening these carrots because I'm going to be using carrots, some onion, some I think that's actually it. Don't burn the butter. Okay, so now to put the carrots in the pot, pan, or whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to use the whole entire bag. I'm just going to use half. Okay, so that's enough of that. Moving on. I'm just going to add some butter to the pan and just let it melt itself. Yay, we're back to the thing. So I'm gonna be using I know what y'all thinking, like, why has she got this thing that you fry chicken in or fish? But look, this is like a good way to clean your lentils, like seriously, because none of the lentils escaped. Okay, like when I was cleaning them, they didn't escape the dish. You see that? Do you see that? Like, it's perfect for cleaning your lentils. I'm cleaning my lentils in cold water, by the way. Okay, so this is basically self-explanatory. I am taking some of these layers off the apple. Oh my gosh, I said apple. This is clearly an orange. Oh my gosh. I mean, an onion. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? Cut it. This video really makes me look like I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Anyway, I heard that if you keep the bottom, this root on there, it'll stop, what do you call it? Your eyes won't burn as bad. Like, it'll prevent your eyes from burning. Now I'm just adding the onions in with the carrots. Yes, I'm still cleaning these lentils. Right now, I'm cleaning them thoroughly right now, and I'm getting all of the debris or bad lentils like that one out. See, y'all see that? It's a stick in there. So here are all the seasonings I'm going to be using: sea salt, oregano leaves, garlic powder, ground black pepper, and the blend, which has salt, pepper, and garlic. I haven't put the lentils on the stove to start boiling yet, so right now I'm just seasoning the onion and the carrot.
Ooh, pretty colors.
Okay, seriously, at this point, I'm just like tired of myself cleaning these lentils again and again. Okay, so watch this. Do y'all see that? Okay, so all I had to do was just lift this out of the water and then pour the water out of the pot, the remaining water. I didn't have to lose any of my lentils. You know how you try to pour something out of a pan with the beans or whatever is in there and then some of it goes down the drain? Yeah, this is how you avoid it. Ooh, okay, so maybe I lost like 6 or 7. Okay, clearly I'm turning the oven on so the water can boil as it is now. I'm just going to add some of this spaghetti seasoning in it. It's called Italian seasoning, but yeah, and I'm going to add a bouillon cube, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add my lentils. And I'm going to add another one. Boom. I'm also going to be adding the turmeric powder. Okay, so I'm not using any measuring tools, so y'all can just eye it. That's how, well, whatever you do, I'm just eyeing it. Okay, so yeah, I definitely need to turn this down. Yes, adding more butter so that it could be so smooth and so, what do you call it, tender? Comment below if you like lentil soup. Comment some ideas of like different ingredients you may have incorporated in your soup. Okay, so to correct myself, this is actually the second bouillon cube I added. Now let's add the carrots and onions. Doesn't this look good though? Like, I know I could have added more vegetables to it, like maybe celery or bell pepper, but yeah, it still looks good. And it actually did turn out really good. This is just something I thought about. I just was like, maybe a little zest, you know, something a little lemon limey like in there. Ooh, bring out the flavor. And some more butter. So now I'm just gonna add some more black pepper and garlic powder because I really didn't season my lentils much. I only put the spaghetti seasoning, the bouillon cube, and the turmeric. Now let's taste it. And as you can tell from my dance, it turned out great. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.